One really common thing we've seen over the years is people working together as a team to respond to a customer escalation or an upset customer. And how I see that play out is usually an email comes to somebody, they forward it on to subject matter experts who reply to it and say, can you add this piece or see my comments below in red? And then forward this email along to the group, and then someone is left sort of stitching this together and trying to compile all of the thoughts from the subject matter experts to reply to the customer. There's a lot of time wasted there. The other thing I've seen is people talking about these emails in Slack about the email conversation thread going on separately. So one of the ideas with this functionality is to tie all of that together. So in this use case, I'm going to play this scenario with a team working on an upset customer escalation response and see how that works within Slack. So we'll save time by keeping the conversation together in one spot, avoid all of that emailing back and forth on the composition of the email, and then get the customer response quickly, which will increase their satisfaction knowing that someone is taking a look. So let's see how this looks. Let me switch over to Slack. Now, we've got this customer group. They're talking about this person who's upset. And now we can hit draft an email as a response. We'll use our template as shown in other videos and hit draft. And what this will do is draft out the email block like we've seen Centro do. And in this case, I'll hit edit. And it pulls up this editor, but I want to point out something really important. So it says here, you can see the dots flickering and that Hannah is editing. So multiple people can be working, collaborating on this document at once using this experience. And as you can see, if any updates I make here will show up simultaneously in the Slack group. So even if the group's not in the editor working together, they can see the updates the team is working on. So, this is really nice and handy to collaborate quickly on the response. So let's say that we have our response figured out. We will simply say save. Come back here into our draft and hit send. So we can see the emails get sent out. We can set reminders on it, and the whole group will see the responses just like we've seen with other Centro use case videos. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for your time.